Make a great choice today with the 2016 Acadia. The GMC Acadia has great capability coupled with exceptional safety, offering better highway fuel economy than any other 8-passenger SUV, advanced technology, and thoughtful ergonomics. The Acadia is a premium utility that rejects compromise and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power passenger seat, power lift gate, navigation system, navigation package, dual airbags, air conditioning, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, remote vehicle start. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.